bags of cookies. So that she has 14 bags of cookies. Here I can see that I have a relationship between cookies and bags. That is something that tells me that this could be a multiplication problem because I have bags and they have cookies inside. So my relationship is between bags and cookies. So we're going to write that. I'm going to have bags and I'm going to have cookies. Now remember that once we start with that, I need to find what my one group has. Okay? Those are words like each or every or a or per. All those words are words that tells me how many are in one group or one thing. Okay? So Miss Smith has 14 bags of cookies. Every bag has 18 cookies. Look at that. Every bag. What does that every bag mean? That means that one bag has 18 cookies. That's exactly the same way I'm going to write it in my information. One bag, and I'm going to write one bag has 18 cookies. Now, what else do I know about this relationship? I know that one bag has 18 cookies. What else do I know?
You don't know anything. There's 14 bags.
That there are 14 bags. Now, 4 bags are going to have to go with bags. I can't put my bags with cookies. That's why it says there's 14. So, I know that there are 14 bags. Okay. Now I can go to the question and say, how many total cookies? So my question is about how many cookies does she have? I know that she had 14 bags, and I want to know how many cookies she has. So these 14 bags, how many cookies is that? Now that I know that, I can go ahead and do my table in my relationship table, and this is the same relationship table that we used back when we were equivalent fractions. My relationship here is between, what's the relationship in this one? Bags and cookies. I know that one bag has 18 cookies and she has 14 bags. I need to know how many cookies is that. In all relationships, whatever I do to one side, I have to do exactly the same to the other side. In my relationship, I always start with, what's the one that has my relationship? 1. Always start with 1. I go from 1 bag to my 18 cookies. Times 18. 1 times 18 is 18. If I multiply 1 times 18, I need to do exactly the same for the other number. In this case, the 14 bags, to figure out how many cookies are there, I need to multiply times 18.
You have to multiply times 18 because you don't know the other one.
So to figure out how many cookies are there, I need to multiply my 14 bags times the 18 cookies in each bag. So for that, we use the same partial product box that we learned last week. I notice that I have a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number, so I can cut my box in 4 pieces. 14, I need the expanded form for 14 is 10 plus 4 times the expanded form for 18, 10 plus 8. And then so I multiply 10 times 10 is 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 4 is 10 times 4 is 4. 8 times 10 is 80, and 10 times and 8 times 4 is 32. And so I just add my numbers. I have 100 plus 40, 140, 80 plus 32, 112, and 140 plus 112 is 0 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, and 1 plus 1, 2. So she has 252 what? 252 cookies
And each cookies in a bag.
in all those 14 bags.